Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Homeless Intervention Program was started in the year 2010 by SPYM. Today, SPYM is the largest shelter provider in Delhi for homeless population. They manage more than 70 shelters for homeless children, women, men, senior citizens and families with a daily footfall of over 5,500 users. The shelter users are provided with the following services like bunker beds with beddings, blankets during winters, sanitation and personal hygiene facility with laundry facilities, clean drinking water and hot water during winters, LED lighting, fans and coolers, insect killer machines, lockers for keeping the belongings, first aid and medical care with referral facility, nutritious meals at select shelters, skill building program, non-formal education and literacy program, facilities for recreation and entertainment like TV, indoor and outdoor games, and distribution of clothes and sanitary items. Certain exclusive facilities are provided to some homeless community members. A 40-bedded facility to address health and social needs of those experiencing dependence on drugs or alcohol is located at Kotla Mubarakpur. A recovery center for homeless people with necessary support and care is functioning at Sarai Kale Khan. Another specialized shelter is being run by SPYM for supporting patients being treated at All India Institute of Medical Sciences who require long-term treatment. SPYM runs a model treatment cum recovery center at Pardabagh for girls and women, for boys at Delhi Gate, and for adult males at Dakshinpuri and Kotla Mubarakpur. The children from the streets are referred to our shelter homes where they are provided with residential care that includes provision of meals, clothes, shoes, beds with beddings and daily utility toiletries. Non-formal education classes and libraries are provided for non-literates and neo-literates to promote learning. Life skills education is imparted to help them develop social and emotional skills. Art therapy is conducted regularly to help them vent their emotions. SPYM provides one-time meal at select night shelters free of cost. Community kitchens have also been set up in select shelters which cater to homeless women and children. SPYM organizes regular health checkups, cancer screening camps, child immunization camps, camps for eye checkups and dental hygiene in collaboration with St. Stephen's Hospital and Max Hospital. Empowerment through vocational skill building aims to strengthen self-reliance amongst homeless people. Trades such as beauty culture, stitching and embroidery, and massage therapy are taught to women in select shelters. For the men, trades include plumbing and electrical work. Some unique and important initiatives have been started by SPYM for the marginalized homeless communities, which include laborers, daily wage earners, rag pickers and other migrants. Aadhaar cards and electoral cards have been provided for ensuring their political inclusion. SPYM has facilitated opening of bank accounts under Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana for homeless people to promote financial inclusion. Homeless rescue drives are held during winters to provide immediate relief to the homeless spending nights on the streets. Activities during rescue include distribution of food, blankets and woolens, first aid and medical care, shifting homeless to hospitals and shelter homes, and coordination with CATS ambulance to meet urgent medical attention. SPYM continues to serve the homeless population in Delhi.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.